Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Let's solve a word problem related to logic gates. See here, the question is given, draw a logic diagram and write output in Boolean form using logic gates for the following situation. So here two situations are given. First, a red lamp should glow when two of three operations taking place. Means any two operations will take place and the third one is an off condition. A yellow lamp will glow when none of three operations is carried out. Now see what we have to do. We have to draw the logic diagram for this given situation. In this situation we have to glow two lights, two lamps, that is one is red one and another one is yellow one. So here the situation is given for the red lamp is the lamp should glow when two of the three operations taking place. Means here how many inputs should be there? There are three inputs. And from these three inputs, only two inputs are in on condition and the one is in off condition. So as we know in a logic gate, if two inputs are in on condition means the two inputs are high and another is low. So we can write the first situation. So the case 1, we can write the case 1. In case 1, what is given? We can take the three input as A, B and C. So here the case in the case 1, the any two inputs should high. So maybe A is high or B is high and the C is in low condition, or A is high, B is low and C is in high condition. Or third condition may be A is low, B is high and C is also high. Okay, see here 1, 2 are in, two inputs are high. Here 1, 2 inputs are high. Here 1, 2 inputs are high. So by using this condition we have to write the equation. Okay, now what we can do, we have to use this condition, and for this two condition we have to add all this. So here we can write the equation for this is AB plus BC plus AC. See, AB means A and B are high, BC means this B and C is high, and AC means this A and C is high. So this is the first this equation we got for this first case. Now see the second case. In the second case, a yellow lamp will glow when none of the three operations are carried out. Means all the operations are in off condition. So, for the case 2, we will take A, B and C. These are the three inputs and all the inputs are in low condition. Okay, so all inputs are what? All the inputs are in low condition. So as the condition for yellow light is what? All the inputs are in low condition. So A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0. So for this we got the equation y is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. So we got this equation and we have to draw the diagram for this. We can write this equation as A XOR B XOR C. Okay, so we got this equation for our second case. So for the case 1, we got the equation AB plus BC plus AC, and for case 2, we got the equation A XOR B XOR C. This equation we got. So now we have to draw the diagram. See, as here AB, BC and AC, three inputs are there. So we have to take three inputs A, B and C. So this is A, B and C. Now we want here AB. So we'll take A and B. Okay, here no sign means dot product is there. So we have to take this AND gate. So we'll use this AND gate here. Then we want BC. So here this is B and this is C. Okay, then AC. So this is A and this one is C. Okay, now we have to add this. So for adding this we are using here one OR gate. So finally we got this for case 1. Now for case 2 we require the XOR gate. So here A, B, C we want XOR gate. So this is the XOR gate and we'll get here the second output. Now what we want? Here in a case 1 we have to glow the red light and here we have to glow the yellow light. So we have to draw here the diagram for light. So this is the light. We have to connect here one light. You can write down here it is a red light and this one is red and this is the yellow light. Okay, and we have to ground this. Okay, so finally we got the case 1 and case 2 and this is the diagram for the given equation. So we solved the word problem and we got this output for case 1 and case 2. Let's see another word problem. In this, design a logic circuit such that output is 1 when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. And the third condition is given, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. So now as we want, we can write down the solution for this. For this we have to first draw the diagram. So first of all, while drawing the diagram, first of all we have to write the Boolean equation for this. We have to solve the Boolean equation by using the Boolean laws and then we have to draw the diagram for the given equation. So here, see, the condition is given, design a logic circuit such that the output is 1. Means always the output should be 1. So wherever the inputs are given 0, 0, that those inputs should be inverted, then only we will got the output. So let's write down the equation for the output. So the equation for output for the first condition is x, y complement, z complement. Then all these inputs should be added. So we require plus sign here. So here we got x complement, y and z complement plus x, y and z complement. So we wrote the equation for the given situations. Then we have to solve this equation by using Boolean laws. Now here, see the first term, second term and the third term. All this term contain z bar. So we can take the z complement common. So we got here x, y complement plus x complement y plus x, y. Now, from these three terms, from this and this term, we can take x common. So we'll take here z complement bracket x is common from this and this term. So we got here y complement plus y. Then here plus x complement y. So we got finally this. Now as we know y complement plus y, and we know that a plus a complement is equal to 1. We know this Boolean law. So by substituting the value here, means the y complement plus y is equal to 1. We got z complement into x plus x complement y. Now, as we know the Boolean law, a plus a bar b means a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So here x plus x bar y means here we can substitute the value as x plus y. So z bar x plus y. So as the conditions are given like this, we wrote the Boolean equation for the given condition. We solved this Boolean equation by using the Boolean laws, and then finally we got this value z complement into bracket x plus y. So this is the final Boolean equation, and we have to draw the diagram for this equation, that output is equal to z complement into bracket x plus y. Now we have to draw the diagram for this. So here x, y and z, three inputs are given. So this is x, this is y, and this one is z. X, y and z. Now we want here z complement. For this z complement, we'll take here one NOT gate. Then x plus y. So we require this x and this y with the plus sign. So we will join here one OR gate. And to this both terms, we want what? We want the dot product, means the AND gate we have to join. So we'll join here one AND gate. So see here x, this is y. So here we got x plus y. This is z. NOT gate will do the complement. So we got here z bar. And this is the AND gate. So this AND gate will give us the dot product. So here we got z bar dot x plus y. And this is our final output for the given situation. So we wrote the equation, we solved the equation by using Boolean laws. We got the final equation, that is z bar into x plus y, and we draw the logic diagram for the given equation.